Yo, you want a shake while you're at it, man? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? It's your boy Evan. I'm back with another video, and in this video, I'm going to be playing Happy's Humble Burger Barn. It was recommended to me by a few of you guys, so I was like, you know what? It's for free too. Like, that's right up my alley, man. You know, free. That's what I'm talking about. So that being said, I honestly don't really know how this game works. I guess we're going to be in some kind of sandwich making industry, right? So I don't know.
We are so appreciate. Have a happy humble day.
What? Oh my gosh. Yo, this... Alright, hold up, bro. Hold up. How do I drive? Yo, oh my gosh, I'm terrible. Yeah. I got my hand on the wheel. Gotta go to this restaurant for the free meal. You feel? Okay. This music is loud. It's so loud though, I'm gonna go dead. Oh my god, I can't drive. That is oh my god, bro. I'm live, man. Yo, my boss, I can't drive, dude. Oh my gosh, how do I get out? I'm about to get fired, I didn't even start my shift yet. I didn't even start my shift yet, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get fired. Bro? Oh. Damn, I'm gonna get fired before my shift even starts. Oh, why is this so loud though? My god. Use left mouse to interact. Okay. Is that all I need to know? Oh, snap. What the heck? Smoke a cigarette? Hey, follow instructions displayed in the top right. Grab your time card and clock in. Okay. How do I clock in though? Yo, why is it so dark though? Hold up. With objects around, okay. How do I clock in though? I'm trying to get paid for these hours, you feel me? They're playing me right now. Ah, nah, I hate the storage rooms, chief. Nah. Yo, how do I read all of the instructions? Grab a frozen patty from the freezer and throw it on the grill. Place the bun, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle on the assembly board. Yo, place the cooked patty on the assembly board. Watch as the burger magically constructs itself. Serve it to the customer? Does this say with a big Happy's humble smile? Yo, I need to figure out how to clock in first. I need to get, you know. Oh, is that? Wait. Oh, I can run too? Okay. How do I clock in? Oh, right here, right? Turn on the open sign. Oh, they tell you where everything. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Yo, that. Oh no, it's about to be some Five Nights at Yo! That's probably not what I was supposed to do, but... Yo, what is this? Yo, what is up with the cow? Yo, what am I... Oh! Oh, yo, there's a mouse in here, yo, this thing's infested. Yo, do not buy food from here. Alright, let me close this. Oh, yo, why did I close the door so hard, man? Yo, I'm over here like, yo, I'm scared. And we got a rat infestation. Manage customers that come in. Hey, we don't got nobody, man. Nobody want to eat at our rat infested business? Oh, okay, hold up. Yo, I'm kind of getting chills, not gonna lie. Like, yo, this doesn't feel welcoming. Yo, why is this man walking like he just got some cheeks, bro? Alright, what you want, man? Yo, you didn't even tell me what you want. Alright, I'm taking your money. You're not getting anything. Oh wait, salmon nuggets? How do I make salmon nuggets? Wait, So you just want chicken nuggets, man? Like this? Oh, here's the... Okay. I got you, man. I got you. Oh, wait. Do I gotta throw them in the floor? No. Wait, no. Alright, I got you. Take the nuggets, my man. Yo, if this dude doesn't take the nuggets, he... Oh, wait. I throw them, don't I? Hey, sorry about the wait, my man. You feel me? Like the fryer wasn't working. This place is a little run down. You gotta bear with me here. Yo, how do I... Alright, yeah. Someone's getting those dropped on the nuggets. The dropped on the floor nuggets. Alright, this is... Okay, this isn't so bad. Just sitting here taking customers, easy. Happy the humble hiker. Yo, why is that so loud, though? Oh, we have security camera? Oh, never mind. Hey, I wouldn't mind some music, though. Alright, what do you want, man? What do you want? Hey, yo, pay up. That's what I thought, boy. A Happy's Deluxe and Salmon Nuggets. Alright, Salmon Nuggets. Dang, I'm launching them things. And a Happy's Deluxe. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is... Yo, where's my meat at? Oh, wait, can I just... Okay. That thing's about 2 hours old, but I mean... Yo, how do I get the meat? Oh, got you. Alright, let's start. Wait. Do I need to separate them buns? What is it? I just throw everything on there. Hey, yo, go on the sandwich. Okay. Hey, well, I'll be right with you in this. I swear you were just in here. Okay, wait, hold up. Oh, okay, that works. Yo, these rats, though, is kind of... Alright, what you want, man? Oh, you're waiting for your food. My fault. Forgot, I activated the sandwich. Hey, if someone just paid me and I didn't even do anything for them, take out all the trash from the kitchen. Where's the trash? Oh. Okay. Out here? Dang, I got the pickup truck. You feel me? Oh, is this it? Oh, in the trash. I can't get it in there. Pause. Yo, why? Oh, I don't like that at all, Chief. And why is it so dark in here? Like, I know it was dark before, but now it's really dark, you know? Ah. Yo, what is up with all these? Am I supposed to do something with those cows? Like, they're stalking me. Like gnomes, man. Yo, what are you looking at, bro? What? Yo, did I just get locked out? Wait, what? Oh, what? Yo, it is... How do I get a flashlight out, Chief? Yo, I don't want to go in there, man. Yo, y'all are tripping right now. Where's the noise? I'm kind of feeling it, though. I'm kind of feeling it. Oh my gosh. Why are you slamming the door so hard? Where's the noise at? It's in here. Wait. Oh. Someone threw a chair. Yo. We need to get out of here. Someone just threw a chair. Yo, I'm getting goosebumps already, man. Yo, I need to get out of here. Yo, I'm low-key feeling this. Oh wait, we got money? Oh, I forgot the money. I just want to get home to my honey. Y'all think I'm funny? Nah, I'm not joking. This is just for the money. Yo, I served you like 4 times already. You're not slick just changing your shirt, my man. A shake? Yo, this dude got the chicken nuggets, then the chicken nuggets, the burger. Now he's getting the shake. Like, come on, man. You better not come back in here, man. That's like the 4th time I served you. Like, you're gonna get like diabetes or something from all this food, man. Come on, man. Oh, let me get the burger ready. Oh, boom. I'm fast with it. I'm nice with it. Ooh. Hold up. I got you. Oh, no, not the same guy again. Yeah, that man could wait. I'm saving him at this point. This man be eating this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oh, okay. Hold up. A soft drink and some salmon nuggets. Okay, I got you. There's your nuggets. How do I get... Okay, I'm feeling it. Yo, I'm nice with it. I'm just nice with it. I don't need coworkers. I got myself. Oh, wait, okay. Boom. Alright. Are these security? Oh. Yo. Step outside for a second. I'm about to start getting in my feelings, man. Oh, okay, he got the fit. Yo, don't tell me this is the same dude. This is like the 5th time you coming in here, my man. You want 2 salmon nuggets? Dang, man. Oh, I didn't make any fries, yo. Oops. Yo, you want a shake while you're at it, man? Oh. Bro, chill out. That scared me, not gonna lie. Yo, chill out with that. Check the drive-through speakers outside. Alright, yo, just chill out with that. Not. Yo, what are you doing out here, my man? No wonder why we not getting no customers. Yo, should I just... Okay, I'm about it. Call your boss on the office phone. Yo, if you move, I'm kicking you in your ankles, my man. You better not move, I swear. Oh, God, no way. I'm so dead. I'm dead. It's GG for you, boy. Yo, you still better be there? Hold up. Oh, my gosh. I'm so dead. Yo, okay. Yo, the music, you need... Yo, why you keep locking me out? Yo, this... Where's the office phone at? Okay. Hey, it's not looking good, Steve. I'm about to walk out. I'm not for this, yo. That cow is moving, my man.
Yeah, hello?
Yo, the cow is moving.
Whoa, what?
I said the cow is moving, bro.
Who put the what in the cow?
What? What are you talking about?
The cow's in the middle of the drive-thru.
I think.
Is this a fucking joke?
Yo, I'm about to walk out, yo. Say that, yo, you think I'm playing?
I don't know. What the fuck do you mean it walked over there?
Yo, don't raise your tone at me, my man.
Alright. I'll get someone out there to move it. Just stay put. Stop causing trouble.
I'm walking out. I'm about to walk out. I better not hit that BS again, talking about stop causing trouble, yo. Come over here, like... Yo, stop slamming the... Oh, I didn't close that door, yo. I'm about to get bodied. Alright. Yo, where's the cow at? Where's the cow at? Hey, I'm not gonna lie, when those lights went off, it kinda got me. Is this the 7th time? Oh my gosh. Come on, man. Dang, you want the whole menu, my man. Yo, what? This man's trying to say stop causing... Yo, I've been sitting there for a minute. This man's talking about stop causing trouble, and I'm over here, you know, making sure the restaurant, you know, chilling. Okay. Hey, yo, I'm not ready for you yet. I'm glad I left that closet door open, not gonna lie. Hey, let me get a different song. I need something relaxing, you know, I'm not feeling it. Okay, you want a soft drink? Is that all? You want a soft drink and fries? Okay, okay, I feel it. Yo, was that a $100 bill? Yo, you're not getting no change back, man. Oh my gosh, there's something looking at me. Bro, my meat is burning. Hey, yo. Bro, the face is coming at me. Yo. Yo, I'm scared. Bro, why is that dude laying on the ground and why can't I... I'm so scared. I'm like, come on, bro, chill out. In the event of an emergency. Yo, can this thing go a little faster? Like, come on, bro. Yo, what is this music? Chill with me, bro. Chill. Chill. Yo, which side does it open from? Okay, this side. Since I came from inside. Wait. Just chill with that. Yo, it's good.
Welcome to Outcast Island. Paragon Incorporated. Latest advancement.
Bro, chill. Why is there all these people laying on the ground? Yo, you guys are tripping right now. Oh my gosh, something's chasing me. Something's chasing me. Wait. Yo, can you run faster? Uh-oh. I'm so dead. I'm dead. Oh. How do I... Dang, man, what happened to you? Yo, could someone close this door, though? Low-key, I'm kind of scared. Okay, never mind. Alright. Oh, wait, did I just miss the film?
If you're watching this, I hope you made it out. I know I won't, but...
I think I did, I mean...
This tape will. I've lived a long and fortuitous life. And for many years, I was shielded from the horrors of humanity and the brutality of nature. But upon taking a job from Dr. Zane Grimm, I've seen things I can't explain.
Yeah, you gotta
Horrors
explain
that
this,
have
man.
haunted my dreams.
I got
Paragon
goosebumps.
has made massive strides in technology. We pushed humanity forward centuries. But I'm afraid we're about to send it back to the Stone Age. At first, we were just trying to help the community. Grimm became determined to save it, to play God. That was when our research became unethical at best, and diabolical at worst. The facility is committing crimes against humanity, and I can no longer stand idly by and let this happen. Surely we are now paying the consequences for our hubris, toying with human life, altering the consciousness of innocent people in sick experiments, forged of indoctrination and psychological slavery. I can't live with myself any longer. But before I shed this existence for the next,
Yo,
I
you're
must
tripping.
blow the whistle on the inhumane and cruel practices happening in this and all other Outcast Island research facilities. I've shipped this video and massive data packages to every media outlet I can find, from the Sabbath Broadcasting Company to Maverick Cooper, and I will expose the vile underbelly of Paragon. Dr. Grimm was once a good man, but he has lost his mind. Surely, I've lost mine as well. We cannot cure
Alright, man, I
death.
get this. This is your last words,
We
but
cannot
like,
even cure our own
I
avarice
need to like
and
find somewhere to go.
and we surely cannot stop what's coming.
Who's behind him? Hey, yo, my vision is going dark. Did I win? Hey, yo, what? Yeah. The game. I beat. Ooh. I made the meat. Ooh. Yeah. I did it. Cheat. Yo, let's go, man. Okay, how do I... Oh, man, yo, these... That game was just like, it wasn't necessarily like jump scare, but it was like kind of like eerie. Like you had that sense of, when I'm by myself in like a facility, bro, I just get that goosebumps the entire game. It's super creepy. But anyways, guys, that was actually a pretty good game, not gonna lie. The ending was a little twisted, not gonna lie, but I actually had a pretty good time playing that game. So with that being said, it's gonna conclude this video, and if you made it to the end, you're a real one. And I'm probably going to be uploading tomorrow too, so if you did enjoy this, make sure to like, comment down what you think, or a game you want me to play, and as always, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Road to 1K, baby, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.